Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create animated pop-up effect for image and text in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro. So here you can see that I added a text and I'm going to show you how I'm going to add effect in that. So you simply need to select from here at the beginning. Okay, then you need to change the value from 100 to 0, and on the scale from here toggle animation. Then you need to move the 5 frame. Okay, once you move you simply need to change that value to 120. Okay, then you need to move 3 frame more from here. Okay, once you move then you need to change that value to 95. Okay, then you need to move 3 frame more and change that value to 100, and now you can see that it is added. Okay, and if you want to make smooth you simply need to select these three animations and click on continuous bezier. Okay, so here you can see that pop in effect, and if you want to add pop out effect so you simply need to select where you want to add. Okay, so I want to add here. Then you need to click on this keyframe. Once you add it then you need to add 3 frame here. Okay, and change that value to 95. Okay, then you need to add 3 frame more and change that value to 120, and now you need to add 3 frame more and change that value to 0. So here you can see pop out effect. So this is the process by which you can create animated pop-up effect for image and text in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.